Hi students, warriors. I'm going to show you how to make your Illinois map. So you're all going to get the state of Illinois template, and you're also going to have this access to this website, Great Illinois Road Trippin'. So let's pick one. Let's pick, let's say family fun. And as we scroll through, let's look for something that might be interesting. We have pumpkin country. We want something that will kind of get us through the whole state. So if we pick Chicago, we'd still kind of have to go back and find a few more places that we could add to our map that will represent the middle and the southern part of the state, since Chicago's in the northern part. So I'm making memories on Route 66. Well, I know Route 66 is the Stevenson, which goes from Chicago to St. Louis. So I'm going to check that out because that's the whole state. So I'm going to read through this. Route 66, it starts in Chicago, actually at the Art Institute. And here's a picture of a bean that I could probably screenshot and use for my map. So I'm going to go to the corner here, and we have new screen capture tools embedded in the latest update of Chromebook update. So I'm going to click on that, and here we have a screenshot, which is what I want, or you could videotape, or you can take a full screen, like this whole page screenshot, a partial screenshot, or a window screenshot, which would just be this tab. And I can also click on this and turn on the microphone, which I don't need. So I'm going to go with partial because I just want the bean. I'm going to click, hold, and drag. It's good. And it's captures. Click on it to capture. Click on the word capture to capture. And you can see it copied to my clipboard, which makes it easy then to go back to the template. Control V as in Victor to paste. And then I'm going to size this quite small and put it where Chicago is. I'm going to size it a diagonal. I'm not going to pull the sides to make it bigger or smaller because that will distort the picture. So I have one picture now for Chicago. And let's go back here. And of course, you could read this a little bit about Chicago, which is always very interesting. Portillo's. And now it says day 2 is Joliet, Wilmington, Pontiac, Atlanta, and Lincoln. So they have a picture for, it looks like Wilmington. And I'm going to go ahead again and click in my tools in the right-hand corner, screen capture, and oh, it just did it for me. I'm going to center it so there's not a whole lot of white space. And then I didn't have to click, hold, and drag this time, which was nice. It remembered where I took the last screenshot. So I'm going to size it from the corners, center it, and now I'm going to click capture. Bam! And it copied to clipboard again, back to my template, Control V, Wilmington. I got to figure out where Wilmington's at. You can Google the map. Let's see if there's a map on this website. Sometimes they have maps. If not, you can go into Google Map, Wilmington, Illinois. And there's a map. So I can kind of see, click on it, kind of see where it's at in the whole scheme of the state of Illinois, where I should put my picture then. And you can back out with your zoom out. So it's just a little bit outside of Chicago. And you could also, if you click this little man, you can see a street image of Wilmington, but I'm gonna not do that right now. So I'm gonna put my little spaceship guy kind of close to Chicago in an approximate place. I'm gonna make Chicago a little bit, and I am using my keypad. You can use a mouse if you'd like. And I'm gonna go back to that website, and I see the next spot I'm gonna go is Springfield. But I don't want to use, I mean, when I think of Springfield, I don't think of corn dogs. I think of the Lincoln Museum, our state capital. So you might have to then go to Google, Springfield. I have to spell Springfield. Illinois Capitol building, whatever. And images, find a nice picture. Oh, that's a nice picture. And then I'm going to right click, copy image. It'll automatically paste it on my clipboard. Control V, size it down. I know Springfield's pretty much in the middle of the state. They moved it there from the bottom of the state to make it centrally located. But if you want to check, you don't know, I would suggest you Google like map : Springfield, Illinois. Got it. Okay, so after you get, I think your teacher's going to ask for 4 or 5 pictures. Now we want to say something about these pictures. So I'm going to draw a text box. I do not have, there we go. I don't have a mouse, so it's a little hard for me. And I'm going to start with Chicago, and I'm going to go back to this site and and I'm going to read a little bit about Chicago, since this is an iconic Route 66 trip. I can read a little bit about, starting in Chicago, we will begin our Route 66 trip through Illinois here. Okay. So, you make that colorful if you'd like. Give it a nice background color. Move it here up by Chicago. You can also experiment with some arrows. Keep adding to your keep adding and building your beautiful map by adding arrows. You can also add borders around these. And you can also add formatting little drop shadows to things. I love drop shadows. Clicking on the box, you can see my drop shadow. I'm going to play around with the distance and blur radius. And you can see now I put a little drop shadow on my Mississippi River. I'm also going to bring up the size. So you want to add boxes, you want to add call outs, and you want to add arrows, pictures, something about your pictures. And at the end, if you'd like to actually draw the route of Route 66, you can use the scribble pencil, and let's see if it'll let me scribble and draw the actual road. Ooh, I think St. Louis. I want to be sure where St. Louis is. And that's the Route 66 Illinois portion. And I could click Arrange Order, send backward, and get it behind my pictures. Send to back. Okay. And I could make that a little thicker by clicking on the line weight, because that's a road. All right. So that should get you started on your map. And you need to do screenshot your pictures, gather information for your text boxes, and make it colorful, because maps should be colorful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.